Okay guys, welcome to my video. This is my first time to play some hardware. This is a hardcore one until I finish the game. So please enjoy. I'm gonna post a lot. I'm very bad at games like this, so as you watch me scroll over it a million times. Maybe in some future videos I don't know what my sister editors. You have a like in this thing, that's all. By the way, I'm living here, so yeah. We need a lot of wood. Okay, once we're done doing that, we need that region. We need to find out. We can get easy iron from there. If that's okay by you. Oh, I got too many. And also, we meet together every achievement there is. So we got two. One is iron. Also, I don't need torches because I have a tiny mod. I have a mod, guys. And the mod is brightness level. Wait, let me check if I have it on. Okay, I have it on. So we're not gonna have any faculties on this. Yeah, I think we're gonna start like that. The first thing if you're playing Minecraft, we're doing it to get a spoon. What's the most essential thing in the game? I think it's a good place to build a base. Maybe when it's out, it's a lot of because I'm bad with coordination. Pretty much bad with coordination. Or I can just leave a bunch of torches around. Wait. I need to jump in. It's ironic to see a tree like this here, but I don't know what's reason I bet they should do some treasure chests in these things, so let's see if they're true. Oh, they've been lighting. I think I'm gonna pass on them by joining oh, sheep. So our whole point here is we're going to explore. See? can explore for now and like maybe another episode when I know the base. Maybe on the next episode we're gonna know the base. We're gonna go caving. We want easy food. We want to spawn in this place, this biome. We got her wood. Wait, I think I should start building the base here right now. I think I should start with the base. I'm gonna start with the base. I think I saw there. Okay, so here we go. Let's build our base. Okay, let's put these aside. Let's start with working and building. Okay, already. Let's start with a slow mini house for now. So of course we just started, so we're gonna do a We don't need that thing.